The difference between the squares of two positive numbers is 6160. A square minus b square is 6160. And when the bigger number is divided by the smaller number, when this bigger number is divided by the smaller number, b is the smaller, right? The quotient is 3 and the remainder is 2. So b into 3 plus 2. What is the sum of two numbers? So we are asked to find out what is a plus b. Now it will become very difficult if we substitute a with this given expression. It will be very calculative as in. So can we say a plus b is nothing but 3b plus 2 from here and plus b, and this will be equal to 4b plus 2. Now putting these values in the options, we will be able to generate the answers relatively faster. First of all, 4b plus 2 will be even no matter what, so 115 doesn't make sense. So let's start with 100. 4b plus 2 is equal to 100. That will give us b is equal to 98 divided by 4, which will be in points. So 100 doesn't make sense. Second option, 120. So 4b plus 2 is 120. That means 4b is 118. 118 by 4 will give me b, which will be again in point. So b also doesn't make sense. Okay, option C. 4b plus 2 is equal to 110. That will give us b is equal to 108 by 4, which is going to give us 27. This makes sense. Now, if b is equal to 27, then a is going to be equal to 27 into 3 plus 2, which is going to be 83. So once we get the value of a and b, let's put it and just verify. So we will have 83 square minus 27 square. Will it end in 0? 3 square will end in 9, 7 square will end in 9, the difference will end in 0. So this makes sense. Let's verify once option echo E. It says this is 130, so B should be equal to 128 by 4, which will give us 32. Okay, so if B is 32, so we will have 98 as A. So we'll get A as 98. Now 98 square minus 32 square, this will also end in 4 and 4. This will also end in 0. So we need to just put in the values and just verify. So 83 square minus 27 square will be 83 minus 27, which is going to be 56 into 83 plus 27. This is going to be 110. So 56 into 110 is going to be 56 into 11, which is 616, right? While 98 minus 32 is going to be 66. 66 plus 120 is going to be much more than that. So C option makes sense.